Jaden Feaster, escorted by Mom Tina and Dad Willie.
At the helm, Newton, and they go right in the middle of Thunderbird defense. Right there, stands them up. Number 82.
And off the big running back, this running back looking for daylight. Number 18, still on his feet. As he heeds the call.
Is away. It's a nice kick. Takes it on the goes down. Oh, inside the 20. Picked up at the 15. And we got close to the 15. Back by the way, so we got some yardage to make up here.
This is confident. Snap is away. The punt. And looks like a fire in there. Not sure. Picked up on the 195. Followed up immediately at the 42, so good field position there for the Green Devils.
ball up to the right-hand side. That ball is still tied. It was defended nicely by number 8 of the Eagles, but
Out of the shotgun, looking downfield, got a receiver wide open, I'm able to do. What a pitch and catch.
Jaden breaks the snap. Airs it out from A.J. Pinellas here. Catches it. Wow! Tight coverage. Leaves it in there for A.J. Pinellas.
takes the snap, looks to the right-hand side to pass, puts the ball up in the air. That is caught by number...
Reynolds looking downfield, got a receiver wide open. In the end zone. Got it.
Second big catch of the game. Bellows dropped back, set his feet, found his